result, and I really like it, but it's not the colour that was on the box. The colour that was shown on the box was an ash pink, that's what it was called, and it was kind of like this pinky purple kind of colour, and it was very nice. It was more of like a pastel pink. This to me looks more of like a gingery pink or a faded red than it does ash pink. I think up here it's done it really nicely, and it was even everywhere, as you can see, and it has come out quite evenly. Like if I keep looking over there, that's because there's a mirror, but it's come out very evenly, but kind of like natural looking. I'm really pleased with it. I'm not gonna lie, this was not the colour I was going for. I wanted a more noticeable ash pink than a faded red, but I do really like it, so I am gonna keep it for a while and then re-dye it once it kind of fades out. Just to be clear, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, this is on top of bleached blonde hair. If you want to know how I got to achieve that, there are two videos in the description. One is my first attempt at that kind of colour, and it did fail, like not gonna lie, it went kind of wrong. But then the second video, which is the one that you probably should see, is how I got it to a very perfect bleached blonde colour without damaging my hair and with like minimal fuss. So they are both going to be in the description. The second one is the better one, so you might want to watch that one more. So this is just how it looks. Again, not like entirely pleased because I did want it to be more of a pink like it said it would be, but I don't hate it, so I'm just gonna keep it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below telling me what you thought of this colour, and if you've used this pudding hair dye before, how you found it. The only thing that I found that was bad with it is it was very messy, like it got kind of everywhere, but it came off really easily, it didn't stain anything. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. We are very close to hitting 2k subscribers, and we might even be at 2k subscribers by the time you subscribe, so please don't miss out. Thanks for watching, bye!